Sequence and series. So what is sequence? So the array or arrangement of numerical elements or members in a specific order. Here is two ifs. In a specific order under a certain rule is called a sequence. That is any arrangement of numerical elements or members that follows a certain rule. Okay, that follows a certain rule. That is, for example, if we write here 2 4 6 8. So what is here, what is happening here? So here even numbers, so natural even number starting, so increases by 2 in it, or common difference in the consecutive elements, that is 2, that is here is 2 difference, that is here is 2 difference. So certain rule. So what will be the nth term? That is 2 times 7, where n is equal to 1 2 dot dot dot. If we put 1 2 3, then we get this sequence. Either if we write 1 1 4 and 1 4 9 16 dot dot dot, what is happening here? 1 square and 1 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, 3 to the power 2 is equal to 4, 4 to the power 2 is equal to 16. So what will be the nth term? That is n square, where n is equal to 1 2 3. So this follows certain rule. These types of arrangement called sequence, and sequence is written by comma. Okay, separating by comma. So in this way, this is the sequence, that is under a certain rule. So number arrangement of elements, that is called sequence. So there are two types of sequence, finite and infinite sequence. If we write here 3 6 9 12, so here 15 18. So what is here? This sequence. Okay, this sequence have the finite number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sequence having finite number of terms is called finite sequence. Okay, is called finite sequence. So again, if we this 3 6 9 12 15 dot 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 dot, so this dotted line represents that after 18 this sequence may be continue. So continue sequence is called infinite sequence. Okay, after it is not stopped only up to 18, after 18 it should be more numbers of sequence member. So here 18, after 18 it is stopped, so it has a fixed number that we can count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is the elements of this first sequence? That is 6, and we cannot say in this, so it is continuous. So having finite number of terms is called finite, and not finite, so it is called infinite sequence. Again, now what is series? So the sum of the terms of a sequence is called a series. That is, sum means what is, if we write this sequence like this, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18, that is called it is called. And if we write dot 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 dot, so it is called infinite series, because it has not a fixed number of terms in this series. So again, if we this can be written as 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18, it has a fixed number of terms, that is number of terms is what? 6. So it is infinite series, and a number of terms having infinite number of terms is called infinite series. Okay, and it must be represented plus or minus or both. That is, it also may be written as -3 -6 -9. So plus any maybe certain rule, and plus minus combine both. That is, if if we write this, okay, I will talk you next. So what is progression? The sequence and series of numbers written in definite order, either in ascending or descending order. What is either ascending or descending? If we write here, that is sequence of series. So if you write 6 3 6 9 12 dot dot dot, it what is here? So it is ascending order. This if we can we if we write here, so 12 9 6 and 3 0 minus 3 minus 6, that is what is happening here in decreasing order. This sequence is in descending order. So these types of sequence and series called progression, that is progression. So what is non-progression? What will be the non-progression sequence and series? So if we write these types of sequence like 3, suppose 3, next next what we write here, 3 or minus 6, again 9, again minus 12. So what is happening here? If we write this term like 3n, okay, 3n, and we can write here n plus 1. So if we put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, this gives you 1 to the power a square, that is even number. Okay, so this gives you what is positive number, and 1 3. Again if we write n is equal to 2, n plus 2, so 3 times 2, that will give you this will give you minus, and this will give you again what? So minus, that is minus 1 to the power 3 will give you minus 1, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Again in this way, if we write 1 to the power minus 4, this gives you plus, and 3 into 3 is equal to what? 9. So this is the what is happening here. Neither it is in ascending order, neither in descending. It is the certain rule that does not follow any ascending and descending order is non-progression. If ascending and descending order is fixed, that is here it is in ascending order, but here is it in descending order. So these types of sequence and series is called progression. Okay, so what about the nth term of sequence and series? Let if we write, that is t1 is equal to 2, this can be written as 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1, or t2 is equal to what? 4, this is can be written as 2 into what? 2 is equal to 4. So what is 3? So 6 2 into 3. So in this way t4 8 is equal to 2 into 4. So what is happening here? 2 is constant. Okay, so tn can be written as 2 into n, that will give you 2 times n. Okay, so what is n is equal to? Natural number 1 2 3. So in this way nth term sequence in general form we can find, and these types of numerical I will discuss later after this completion of theory. So again what can we can write about here the 0. So 0, let t1 is equal to what? T1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as 1 square minus 1, that will give you 0. Again if we write t2 is equal to 2, that will give you 2 to the power is 2 minus 2, that will give you 2. So 4 minus 2 again is 2. So again t3, so that is 6. So if we write here 3 to the power a square, or 3 square minus 3, that will give you 6. And again t4, if we write here 12, so 4 square minus 4, that will give you 12. So what is happening here? 2 is constant, and this is the natural number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So if t1 is nth term, can be written as n square minus n, that is the nth term of this sequence. This is the general form of this sequence, and other types in the other method, that is using formula of if we use formula, so that is Tn is equal to An plus B, and so Tn is equal to An square plus Bn plus C. These types of solution I will discuss in next video. So first of all, what is this I will discuss about in next video.